Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the first week of July reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Virgo. So let's see Virgos what is coming up for you for the first week time of July. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading. I will pull one message card from your person as well. But yes, no charms will be added in this reading. So stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal leads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's dive into the read. Let's find out what can the Virgos expect for the first week time. Let's begin. Ten of Pentacles, the Emperor. Wow. Wow, beautiful energies, Virgos. You are rocking it. It's gonna be one of your best weeks in the recent times, I would say. I wish you have many more to come, or like these, or even better than this. I feel like it is gonna be one of those weeks where you're gonna feel very happy, very content, very stable because there is something. Either you are taking a step towards someone that you love, or somebody who you love is taking a step towards you, which is going to add a lot of happiness, a lot of abundance in your life, not just to your life but to the life of the people connected to you as well. I feel like this is amazing energy that you are going to be having all around you in the first week time. um let's take more cards. Eight of Wands. Wow. Wow. Nine of Cups, Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and the Moon. Wow, I mean, direct we do have the Judgment. I feel like the changes that you're gonna experience in this week time is so amazingly perfect that you would question, like, is it a dream or what? Like, you're gonna feel like pinching yourself up just to see if it's a reality. It's more like you're gonna feel like it can't be real. It can't be real because something that you might have been waiting for, you will be getting that in this week time. It's most beautiful reading as of now that I've done. Like, I've done Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Aquarius, and Sagittarius. No, not Aquarius, Sagittarius. But yeah, this is the best reading I've done for today as of now. So I feel like it's gonna be one of those weeks where you're gonna get your wish fulfilled, but it's gonna be so sudden. It's gonna be so unexpected that you're gonna feel like, oh my god, like, am I really, like, I'm really getting this. For those of you who are on the receiving end of some sort of a message, proposal coming in, you will be getting that from your specific someone. That person will be embracing their love, feelings, emotions for you. They will be taking the stand for you that they might have been unable to do so. If you have been the one who could not take stand for your love life, you will be doing that now, and you will be reaching out to the person that you love with grace, with strong attitude that yes, you're gonna win their heart, you're gonna get a yes from them, and that's what you will get. I feel like there is the most beautiful energy that you can think of right now. um, it's like a dream come true kind of a week for you where you're gonna get your most deeply desired wish getting fulfilled. Wow. For some of you, let me take one more card. For some of you, like, maybe this person, if you are if you are on the receiving end of this beautiful energy coming from a specific someone that you loved, maybe for very few of you, maybe this offer, this love, this abundance, this happiness, this proposal, this wish come true could be coming from a different person. Like, maybe there is a specific someone that you love, but then there is another person coming in your life who's far more better than the one that you wanted, far more better than the one that you wanted. As in terms of what they have to offer is far more better than that as well. Like, it's more like a better version of the one that you wanted is available to you now, and that person is coming as a blessing from the heavens to you. So for some of you, you accepting this offer could be kind of difficult for you. Why? Because you would feel like, I wanted that person, but then this person is here who's ready to give you all love, commitment, happiness, marriage, engagement, live-in relationship. They are gonna introduce their family to you. So it's more like a beautiful energy entering in your love life. But yes, I do see that, for, I'm seeing that energy coming from your end where you are kind of indecisive, where you're gonna feel like, where you're gonna feel like, I'm picking up two energies, to be very honest here. One is gonna be for those of you who are finding it hard to accept this proposal coming from the one that you wanted, because you feel like, how can they, change so much, so in such a short time. Like, it would be unexpected. For others of you, it could be coming from another person, so that's gonna make you question, like, I don't know if I should accept this or not. Shall I wait for the one that I loved, or shall I go on with this one person who is coming in very strong, who's ready to give you what you wanted? Either way, it's the person that the god has basically brought you this person who you always wanted to be with. Maybe the face of the person has changed, but yes, the nature, the everything that you desire in your life partner, in your, in your lover, in your husband, in your wife, this person is exactly that one person that you always wished for. So I feel like, this is your wish granted. Maybe it's in the different, packaging, or whatever you may call it. But yes, this is going to be the most amazing person that you have ever known, be that a past person or a new person, and the offer that they are bringing in to you is amazingly good. It's going to be hard for you to, you would feel like, oh my god, like, you will get flattered by this person and the way they would come in your life. So just be prepared for that to happen for you for this week time. For majority of you, I feel like it's going to happen in the very beginning of the week time, but it can happen in the second half of the week as well for some of you. But overall, the vibe of the week is going to be perfectly perfect for Virgos. Beautiful energies. Let's see what the Oracle has to add to the read. Time. You are trying too hard, give it time. For some of you, maybe you have been giving so much of your time and energy to your love life lately, and maybe in the last week of June, maybe you decided, okay, fine, I'm letting it go, I'm letting it be, I'm letting it, like, happen in when the time is right. So that shift within you has brought you this tremendous shift in your love life. Like, your love life, which was stagnant, stuck, is like rushing forward, and it's gonna be so unexpected, so quick, that you would, like, you would be surprised. You would not be expecting this beautiful energy coming in your love life right now. So yeah, let's see. And for those of you who are not going to be, nah, actually, let's leave that, because I feel like, for majority of you, you're going to see the energy coming in. This is something that you might have understood, and you have left that. For some of you, maybe you are leaving that right now. When you're watching this, you are in that vibe where you're feeling like, I don't want to deal with this shit in my love life now. I want something beautiful, and you're just letting that thing go, letting that person go, and stuff like that. And that's the moment when this person enters in your life. It can be the same past person as well who you are leaving behind. It's just that the shift that happened within you is gonna bring this beautiful shift in your person as well. New love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. It can be new person for some of you as well, like I said already. So it can be a new person. If it's a new person, trust me, it's gonna be more like a, in that situation, I feel like, it's gonna be a love at first sight from your person's end, because this person is coming in strong as an emperor, like, as if they are so sure that you are the one for them. Or even if they are coming in as a proposal, maybe they have seen you somewhere and they are so madly in love with you, and they want to marry you, and they might have been kind of keeping their eye on you for sure. So that could be the case for some of you as well. But this energy is so beautiful, Virgos. Your week is going to be perfectly perfect for sure. Beautiful. Look at the bigger picture. Don't hold yourself back. If this person comes in your life, and if it's a new person as well, just go ahead with that, because I feel like, maybe you don't know what will happen with the one that you are waiting for, especially if you don't know if this person, whoever it is that you're waiting for, is ever gonna show up with something stable or not. Then I would suggest you to move on with this person who is showing up in your love life. Journal, process your emotions through writing. No judgment, just flow. If you have any mental, physical, emotional blocks, maybe you can journal around that, and let it flow. And even if you're choosing to move on with this new person, make sure you write things down. Whatever it is that you want to leave behind from the past, just journal it down, so you don't take any past baggage in your love life with this new person in your life. Or even if it's the same person from the past, and you are entering into a new journey with this person, make sure you leave the past behind. Let's take a message from your person. Let's see, what do they want you to know? What is the message from them? My family knows about you. So this person would be coming in with proposal where the family knows about you for sure. Beautiful energy. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for the Virgos for this week time. If the reading resonated with you, or if it helped you to know what's going to come up for you in this week time, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.